Morning, it's Mark here from Yorkshire Vehicle Solutions. Just like to take this opportunity with you to share this lovely BMW X3 30D which landed with us the other day. So the full advert will be going live today on www.yorkshirevehicle.solutions.co.uk. The vehicle itself is a 2018 registered car on a 68 plate. Bit of insight there into the vehicle itself. Currently finished in carbon black metallic, so lovely colour there. So in some lights it does have a hint of blue coming through, other lights it does like a gloss black. Complemented with the oyster interior, which always finishes off a darker exterior colour. Specification on it, as I said, it is the M Sport vehicle. It does have the M Sport Plus package, which as you can see gives you the upgraded wheels there, blue brake calipers. Also gives you the professional navigation and Harman Kardon stereo, which is a lovely thing on any vehicle. Interior wise, always lovely. Oyster finish off the interior. Always complements a dark exterior colour. Mileage wise on it, the car's currently done 84,561 miles. It does have a full service history. And the full details will be on the advert. Just really to catch your attention initially and go from there. A few nice small touches there, such as the piano black inlays. Again, the professional navigation which I mentioned. Small touches like the black contrast stitching really do finish the vehicle off as well. And again, that's carry on to the door clamps there. The vehicle itself does also have folding mirrors. 3-zone climate control, which you can see there as well. Lovely conditioner, as you can see, so there's no wearing or anything on the seats. It's always nice when you see a vehicle with a lighter interior that it comes in, you know it's been looked after. Touch on the tailgate as well. Cavernous boot space there. A few other bits of specification on this: reversing camera, parking system plus. Does also have the comfort package, as well as shadow line trim, so the black surrounds on the window there, and privacy glass for the B pillar back. I say by all means, please do have a look on the website for the full advert, which will be up today. Thanks very much. Bye now.